Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace inside of Google's Antigravity. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Google's Antigravity, and then basically you want to go ahead and click on Control and E so we can go ahead and switch to Agent Manager. Now once you do that, a new box is going to appear like so. Now, as you can see, I've only got one workspace open at this point in time. So to create a new one, so to open up a new workspace, want to click on the cross like so, and then click onto File, and then we want to open up a new folder. So click on Open Folder. Now, basically, we want to go ahead and create a new folder inside of here. So I'm just going to go inside of my documents, right click it, and then click on New, click on Folder. Now I'm just going to call this Test for now. Now from here, I want to select that folder. So I'm going to click on Select Folder. Now this should create my new workspace inside of Google's Antigravity. Now it's going to ask you, do you trust the authors of files in this folder? I'm going to say yes, I trust the authors. Now, there we go. So we created that new workspace in Google's Antigravity.